lovely people, Couponer Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta Haul, guys. I went by Walmart tonight because I'm trying to get that $10 bonus completed. Found a few new rebates, so I got to share it with you guys. Okay, now first of all, I did have some mishaps with my receipt because I was not paying attention during checkout. I was on the phone with the twins and I was not paying attention. So I didn't catch a couple of things, but I still feel like I got a good deal. All right. So the first product that I got was the Proguard by Polident. And this is Proguard and Retainer Foam Cleanser. Okay. So it's priced $5.97 in my Walmart. I actually had a $5.97 Ibotta rebate. Okay. So this was absolutely free. Now I was trying to use that $1.25 or $1.50 coupon, but I do not see it on my receipt. So I was pretty sure I gave it to her. But anyway, I was just like, you better be glad, cashier girl, you better be glad that it was free, okay? Because had not it been free, I probably would have rolled back to Walmart, okay? All right, because that is definitely not a product that Crystal needs. I don't need that, okay? It's just a free rebate and I want it. Now, let me say this. I didn't catch this, but I'm catching it, so I'm going to let you guys know. There is actually a coupons.com coupon that's attaching to this, and I'm so pissed off, okay? Not only did my insert coupon not get used, but I missed that on coupons.com, guys. So I want you to make sure that if you do this rebate, you make sure that you use that coupons.com coupon that is on the app. Make sure you activate it before you purchase it at the store, guys. It's gonna make this be $1.50 money maker, okay? Next deal I decided to do was on the Safeguard. There's a Safeguard rebate, okay? And the reason why I got two products is because for the rebate, you must purchase two products, and this product happened to have a coupon on it, okay? Which is a buy one, get one free coupon. So this made for an excellent deal. Now, the crazy thing was this particular 8-pack of Safeguard soap was on the shelf for $3.97, but it ended up ringing up for $4.47 on my doggone receipt. I didn't catch that, okay? So basically I paid $4.47 for this. This ring up at $3.97, okay? Now, because I had the buy one, get one free coupon, I actually got $3.97 taken off. So this was absolutely free. I paid $4.47 for this. The Ibotta rebate is $3 for purchasing two. So I basically only paid $1.47 for these two. Oh, well. That's still a great deal, guys. I got a whole sanitizer and an 8-pack bar of Safeguard soap. So I think that was a good deal, even though there was a misprice going on. So what I think I should do tomorrow when I go up there, I think I need to go to customer service with my receipt and my picture and show them I took this picture yesterday. Y'all got that stuff back there for $3.97. I realized once I got home, it's $4.47. Give me my change. I want it. The next rebate I decided to do, guys, was my husband's oatmeal. Again, it's priced $2.50. No coupon. I paid $2.50 in store. There's a 75 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.75 for the Quaker oatmeal. That's a great deal. This rebate, I decided to get the Oreos again. For this rebate, you got to buy two. So I got the Dynasty. I think you got to get the Dynasty and something else. So it's $3.67 each, or $7.34. You pay $7.34 in store. You get back $3.67. Final cost $3.67 for the two. So I got a family size of the lemon this time. Yeah, I think that's a great deal. That rebate's gonna reset. Krista gonna be giving away Oreos again. Now I had to do the Zest again. The Zest soap is a great deal. It's priced $2.98. We got a $1 coupon. I paid $1.98 in store. Ibotta's giving me back $1 for a final cost of only 98 cents for the Zest soap. Amazing, amazing. Now, I decided to do the faux funique, okay? The faux funique is a pain and itch relief. It's an antiseptic liquid, okay? I want to tell you the exact name. Price $3.97. There's a $1.50 coupon. Paid in store $2.47. There's a $1.50 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost 97 cents for the faux funique. I'm glad I thought to do that again. Haagen Daz is priced $3.48. No coupon, so I paid $3.48 in store, $1 back from Ibotta. Final cost $2.48 for the Haagen Daz. Y'all know how I feel about Haagen Daz, okay? Now, I had to go ahead and do the Luigi's again. I did the Italian ice again. Now, it is priced $2.87. There is a $1 insert coupon. I paid $1.87 in store, $1 back from Ibotta. Final cost, only 87 cents, guys. And all of these deals are listed in the Google document below, okay? So make sure you go do that. Look at that. Next thing I got was the Always pads again. Now, you can't beat a deal like this because the Always pads are $3.97. No coupon, had to pay $3.97. $2 back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.97. Now, stuff like this, you just got to get stuff like this because you're going to use it every month anyway. You might as well get some type of savings. So the Tam Pack, same thing, $3.97. No coupon, paid $3.97 in store, $2 back from Ibotta. Final cost, $1.97. I'm loving these Ibotta deals. The Edge. Now, the Edge Shave Gel, I did get that again, $2.97 in store. There is a $1 insert coupon, so you're going to pay $1.97 after the coupon. Ibotta's going to give you back $1, making the final price 97 cents. I'm telling you, I'm loving these Ibotta rebates here lately, honey. Let me put my Luigi's and my Haagen Daz up. Hold on just a minute. I'm seriously going to have to take the ice cream and put it in the freezer outside, in the garage, because I got too much stuff. All right. Moving on to Shopkick. We got to do Shopkick. Okay, I'm getting this 7th generation. It reset again. It's $2.77, guys. I got my scan kicks and my upload the receipt kicks is going to give you back $1.70, making the final cost only $1.07 for dishwashing liquid. Good deal. Next deal I decided to do was the Suave lotion again. It's priced $1.83. My scan and my receipt kicks reset. So I'm going to get back $1.60 from Ibotta. Final cost is going to be only 23 cents for the lotion. I could not pass that deal up. Now let's go over the numbers, guys. The total of everything that I got was $53.06. I had $8.47 in coupons. That dropped my cost down to $44.59. Now I did use a $5 Shopkick gift card, which lowered my cost to $39.59. I did get back $22.89 from Ibotta, which dropped my cost to $16.70. I expect to get back $3.30 from Shopkick, making my cost be $13.40 for all this lovely product. I think that's a great deal, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, let me know in the comments below the video. Don't forget to get your Google document before you go shopping. Let me know how many more rebates you guys got to do for your $10 bonus. Where you at? Once I do my trip tomorrow, I should be done, okay? Yeah, I should be done. So I'm working on it. I got 14 more rebates to do. Not a problem. I'll do that tomorrow, okay? Because I ain't gonna be doing this Saturday. All right, lovely people, that is it. That's all for the video. I hope you guys are enjoying your Thursday evening. If this video was helpful for you, can you please give Coupon and Crystal a thumbs up and share the video? Sharing is caring. The lovely people, the Coupon crew is almost at 9,000. We're almost at 9,000 lovely people. So we're trying to grow this tribe, okay? All right, guys, that is it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.